How to fix Google Drive download problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive download problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and here click Drive and then go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, allow storage, click storage and click allow, and that's it. Now just click data usage here and allow mobile data. Maybe you'll find it like that. Click allow, and that's it. Then just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.